You are welcome back to EdTech Lab. Today we are going to look at how to create a Google Classroom on our Windows PC. How to create a Google Classroom on our Windows PC. Creating a Google Classroom on your Windows PC is similar to creating Google Classroom on our smartphones, specifically Android phones. We did the first video for that particular section, and this is the second video for how to create Google Classroom account for teachers. So let's zoom into today's activity. So the first thing we need to do is to open Google Chrome. So we locate Google Chrome. Here on my taskbar we have Google Chrome. Here on my desktop you have Google Chrome. So I'll only click once on my taskbar where the Google Chrome icon is, and Google Chrome will be launched for me. The next thing is to make sure that I am logged into my Gmail account or logged into my Google account. So I'm logged into my Google account. As you can see here, EdTech is logged into the Google account. So we move on to locate our Google Classroom application. Here we have our Google Classroom application where we can find it. Then we scroll down, we click on Classroom, we wait for Classroom to open. So this is how it will look like on your screen if you should do same thing at your end. The next thing for us to do is to locate the plus button, which will help us to create a Google class. So we click on the plus button on our top right corner. Then we have join class, we have create class. Today we are focusing on creating a class. So we click on create class. We accept the conditions and terms. Then we click on continue. Here is our form to fill again. We have the class name. The class name will take the name of the subject or the name of your class. So here we can put in EdTech Lab. Then the section also talks about if you have streams for your class. So let's say you have grade 1A, grade 1B, grade 1C. Okay, you can have those streams indicated at the section. So when we go to section, you have EdTech trainings. Then we have subject. The subject is going to give us a description of our class. Then the room will also give us maybe the location, the time pertaining to the class. So here we are going to fill for the class and we'll fill for the section and we'll leave the remaining. The next thing to do is to locate the create button and click on it. So we click on create. So this is our class. This is our class. So we have EdTech Lab, EdTech Trainings. This is the name and this is the section. Good. So this is how to create a Google class on our Windows computers. Thank you for watching.